morning! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today we will be cooking a favorite dessert, that is cassava cake. And here's our ingredients. 2 pack of this, I think, what is this? How many ounces? 2 16-ounce pack of this grated cassava. 1 cup of coconut milk. 3 eggs beaten, 1 stick melted butter, 1 cup evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and 2 cups white sugar. Okay, let's put it together. Very easy to make. And also, while we're doing this, we already preheated our oven to 350. Okay. It's good here in the States. We just we don't have to grate the cassava. We just open a pack and here's our grated cassava already. And then let's put the, I like to put the butter first so that it will get mixed with the cassava, but I think our butter is still warm. So let's get the eggs beaten up. Sugar in. It's really very easy. You cannot go wrong with cassava cake. You just put all the ingredients together and you got your there's our butter. Okay, pour it in a cake pan. Yung iba, they put other stuff with their cassava cake, like young coconut and stuff like that. I just have mine plain. A lot of my friends like it, like just plain. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I spray the oil on the pan so that it wouldn't stick. Now we'll bake it in the oven. We already preheated the oven for 350 and we'll bake it for 1 hour or until light brown. Eto na ang ating cassava cake. I end up cooking it for 1 hour and 15 minutes. But you have to just look at your situation because it varies from oven to oven and also depending on your altitude. Here in Wyoming we have high altitude, so it takes longer to cook. So thanks for watching and please comment, like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.